Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to refresh suggested content on your Instagram feed. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone. And as you can see guys, this is my Instagram feed. And these are suggested content for me. As you can see, I do not follow this account, but I got the suggestion on my Instagram feed, and I'm going to show you guys how we can um, refresh the suggested content on this feed. If you want to do that, you can go to the Instagram setting. You can go to your profile first, and you're going to click on these three lines on the top right, and you can scroll down until you find content preferences. Okay, this one. Okay, and then here you'll be able to manage the content you are interested and the content you're not interested here. Okay, and you can manage sensitive content as well, and the political content, and also specific word and phrases. Okay, and if you want to reset the suggested content for you on your Instagram feed, you can select this option. Okay, and here you will get this kind of information. We suggest post reels and other content based on factors like who you follow and your activity. You can reset to see something new. Okay, and you can read the description, and just remember that this won't delete your data. The Instagram still use it to personalize your experience in other ways and for the purposes explained in the privacy policy. Okay, and then you just need to click on next. Okay, and before deciding, review who you follow and your ad topics. And I'm just going to reset suggested content, but you can review it first. These are the accounts I follow on Instagram, and also the ad topics, and I'm just going to select reset suggested content. Okay, all right, and now my Instagram feed has been resetted. Okay, and this is the result. All right. Okay guys, and that's all the way to refresh suggested content on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.